In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a Microsoft Word document into a PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're crafting a dynamic presentation for work or class, integrating Word documents into your slides can streamline your process and make your presentation even more impactful. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure PowerPoint is open on your desktop. Depending on your needs, you can either open an existing presentation that you might be working on or start fresh by creating a new one. This is a great time to add any photos, tables, or other content to your slides that complement your Word document. Having an idea of the visual layout will help make your presentation more cohesive. Now, determine which slide you want your Word document to appear on. This decision might depend on the flow of your presentation or where the information from your Word document fits best into your overall narrative. Once you've pinpointed the ideal slide, navigate to the Insert tab at the top of the PowerPoint window. In the ribbon, look for an option labeled Object and click on it. This feature allows you to incorporate a variety of non-typical slide components, such as Word documents, directly into PowerPoint. When the dialog box pops up, you'll see a couple of options. Since we're working with a file that already exists, you'll want to select the choice labeled Create from File. This tells PowerPoint that you wish to insert a document you've already saved to your computer. After making that selection, click the Browse button. This will open a File Explorer window where you can navigate through your folders to find the Word document you want to incorporate. Once you've located it, select the file and click OK to proceed. At this point, you have to make a decision. If you want the content of the Word document to appear directly on the slide, as though it were typed there, leave the checkbox labeled Display as Icon unchecked. This is perfect if your document's content fits seamlessly into your slide's existing design. Clicking OK will finalize the insertion, and you'll see your Word document's contents right on the slide. Alternatively, if you'd prefer to insert a clickable icon that, when activated during your presentation, opens the document within Word, check the Display as Icon box before clicking OK. This is particularly useful when you want to provide supplementary material without cluttering the visual real estate of your slides. And that's it. You've successfully integrated a Microsoft Word document into your PowerPoint presentation. This simple yet powerful function not only enhances your presentation's utility, but also ensures that important information is easily accessible to your audience. Make sure to save your presentation after making these changes, and as always, review and test your slides to ensure everything works smoothly before the big day. Happy presenting!